Hi there, my name is Carla. Today I'll be helping Dr Ansua to rejuvenate her beautiful skin. We're focusing on pixelated radio frequency. Pixelated meaning we're going to be breaking the surface of the skin. So this is a very mild skin resurfacing treatment, but also with skin tightening. So especially because she's getting 40 very soon, we'll be focusing on the skin tightening part, but also great to use around the orbital area, so for the sagging around the eyes or rejuvenation around the eyes. Really, really great. After the skin resurfacing part, we'll be following with your impact. Impact is your ultrasound. We'll be using on top of the open skin, but we're going to incorporate also growth factors from AQ Skin Solutions. These are FDA cleared cell communicators, so those are going to go latch on Dr Ansua's own fibroblast cells that produces the collagen and elastin. So really, really optimally focusing on skin rejuvenation and skin tightening.